friends, today I'm going to share with you my handva sandwich recipe. Handva is a Gujarati dish and it's like a savory cake, cake made out of lentils, rice flour and some vegetables of your choice. And so that's made it in an oven, and it's a long process to make it if you make it from scratch. But I have a little variation here to make the same dough which is used to make the cake and transform that mix or dough into a sandwich. So to make the handva sandwich, friends, you need, first thing is the handva flour. And handva flour is easily available in the Indian store, and it is a mix of lentils and rice flour. So it's very handy and very easy to use. Another thing you need is the yogurt. It could be any kind of yogurt, Greek yogurt, homemade yogurt, any kind of yogurt is just fine, and some water to make the mix. So I made this mix a night before, and to make this mix I used 3 cups of handva flour and 1 cup of yogurt and some water, and just stirred it and made it into smooth batter and left it overnight on the counter. So in this way, when you're going to make lunch or in breakfast, your dough is ready, or a batter is ready to make the sandwiches. The other ingredients you need to make the sandwiches are some vegetables. So I have shredded carrots, some bell pepper, some zucchini, some onions and cilantro. And this is really your personal choice that how much you want to load up with the vegetables. So I have a couple carrots, 1 bell pepper, 1 zucchini shredded, 1 small onion and bunch of cilantro. And to make the sandwich, we need a sandwich mold. I have 2 kinds of mold. This is the square mold, and this is what I bought from India, and it's also available on Amazon. And another kind of mold I have like this, and this is also available on Amazon. So you can shape your sandwiches either very round or the regular kind, the squared bread. So it's a personal choice again. Start the process, we will take the batter and we will add all these veggies. So once you have all the vegetables in your batter, just give it a good mix. After mixing all the vegetables, we're going to add the spices. We'll start with salt. Salt is according to taste. For this much mix, I have put around 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to put half a teaspoon of turmeric. I have around half a teaspoon of red chili pepper and a few teaspoons of coriander and cumin mix, potato here, and a pinch of mashed potato. And then I'm going to give all the spices a good mix. You can also add some black pepper if you want. I have just used the red pepper today. So you can see it's a thick, really thick batter after we added the vegetables. So it's loaded with veggies. Once this is all mixed together, we'll start putting this batter in the molds. So now the first thing we are going to do is to fill these molds. So I'm going to put a little ghee in the mold and just spread the ghee around on both the sides. Okay, and then take the little sesame seeds and go on the sesame seeds like this. Just make sure that all the corners and everything have ghee, because you don't want this to be sticking up. So you put the sesame seeds like this on your mold, and you put a few sesame seeds on this side also on the mold. So both the sides have sesame seeds. And now after that, take the batter and put the batter in the mold, just like this. And just don't fill it too much, because this is so much depth only and can hold only so much. So you can just fill your batter in this, and then you close it properly and put it on the stove at medium high heat for 5 minutes on each side. So by the time this one is cooking, I'm going to take the another one to make the round one. Same process. I'm going to put some ghee in here and just put the ghee around this, all around, and then put some sesame seeds. So you have a nice sesame seed here, and then you take the mix and put it in here like this, and you close it and put it on a stove. I'm going to put it on the back side. After it's done for 5 minutes, I'm going to turn it around and cook it from the other side like this. So friends, it's been a few minutes, and let's see how all this is working out together. You can see here the sandwich is cooking. Still a little bit needs to be done. There on the other side, it has stick, so I have to take it out with the knife or something. So I'm going to cook on this side a little bit more, and in this one, let's take a look. See, it's cooking pretty good, and it's not stuck on the other side. So you have little sandwich, round sandwich like this, and I'm going to cook for a few more minutes until it gets the golden brown color. So friends, looks like this one is done cooking like that, and see, this one is finally done also. Take a look here, turn it around, you can look at it here. I'm going to turn this off and plate this one also. So you can just do this and this one. So you have a nice sandwich here. So you can make any kind of shape you wish. You can make the standard sandwich shape, or you can make the round shape. But this shape takes a little longer because the way the mold is a little deeper and on the other side, so some things on the sides just don't get cooked. Whereas that shape, the round shape, I have it flat, so on the gas, the kind of gas I have, it's much easier to make that one. It just goes very well on that shape. So it's the personal choice, whatever shape you want to make. you can make the sandwiches in. So I have another one cooking here. Let's take a look at this one. See that? This needs to be done a little bit more. So looks like this one is done now. See that? And brown a little bit more. And you can see either way it's done. Friends, you can just keep making the sandwiches like this and serve your family for lunch or dinner or breakfast or snack, whatever, whenever you want to serve it. And you can make any shapes. You can make the square like this, or you can make the rounds. I prefer rounds because it's much quicker for me to make rounds. So friends, handva sandwich is ready to be served. You can serve it with the choice of your chutney. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.